work and never stop. We wanna live up the night. On today's episode, our friends are going tonight.
Happy Thursday.
I just ate Taco Bell. Oh, what sweat? Bottle girl.
Nice.
Look at that.
We're having a fluid.
Look at the little boo. Very cutesy, very demure.
Okay. Go ahead, serve me up.
Okay. This cup's actually very cute, very cute. Y'all should really like the wine people and sniff it and everything.
I'm trying to be really fancy.
Get a good swirl going on.
Hold on, I want to get really mature and fancy.
Bottle girl. Oh.
Let me know, ma'am. Okay, you alcoholic. Good.
Wow.
Okay.
My mom.
What did y'all say earlier that?
Oh, we put cats' faces in our mouth. And
well.
I was literally telling Mom on the way up here, I put cats' faces in our mouth.
Cheers. Happy Thirsty Thursday.
I can have a puppy.
We're waiting for the rest of the gang to get here, so we've got Kimberly coming, Mandy coming, Hot Gina coming, Jordan coming, and then it's gonna be a party. We're also spray painting projects going on here.
You would get here at like 5 or 6.
I'm gonna throw you.
Mom, do you remember when I had to be a skateboarder?
Mm-hmm.
I had to put a skateboard for my birthday. Okay.
Oh! Okay, for reals, bye.